Hi, this is Andy D. Laverne from Synology America. This video will give a brief overview of some testing I've been conducting with multimedia playback, the DS1515 Plus, and the upcoming RT1900AC router. Before I jump into the demonstration, let's take a quick look at the configuration used for testing. The core of the network consists of a DS1515 Plus and the upcoming RT1900AC router. The DS1515 Plus, running DSM5.2, utilized a volume comprised of 4 SSDs configured in a RAID 10 array. The NAS was connected to the router using a single 1 gigabit Ethernet connection. The remaining 3 LAN connections on the router were used to connect with a PlayStation 4, Apple TV, and a Windows PC. Connected to the router's 5 GHz band were an iPad, Chromebook, Roku 3, Samsung Blu-Ray player, MacBook Pro, and an Xbox One. Lastly, on the router's 2.4 GHz band, an Android tablet and Chromecast were connected. There were a few goals with this test environment. One goal was to test the memory and CPU utilization of the DS1515 Plus during multimedia streaming. Another goal was to stress test the router using a variety of connections in active use. We also wanted to display not only the variety of devices that could utilize a Synology NAS for streaming, but also that all the devices could be streamed to at the same time using a high bitrate file without overtaxing the NAS or the router. The video we chose to stream was a high-quality MP4 copy of How to Train Your Dragon 2. The video stream of the file is the unmodified H.264 Blu-ray source, which has an average bitrate of 23 megabits per second and a maximum bitrate of 32.2 megabits per second. For native compatibility with devices, the audio stream was downsampled to a 2-channel AAC-LC stream encoded at 160 kilobits per second. This first screen shows the resource utilization with the streaming test in progress and operating smoothly. In total, there were 10 separate streams of our high-quality How to Train Your Dragon 2 MP4 file being sent to each device other than the iPad. The MacBook Pro used Synology's Video Station software to stream the movie in a browser. Video Station was also used for targeting the Apple TV and streaming to a Chromecast and Chromebook. The PlayStation 4 and Xbox One were able to locate the DS1515 Plus and trigger a stream of the movie using the Media Player application available for free from Sony and Microsoft on their platforms for DLNA playback. Many of the other devices utilized an application called DS Video that is written by Synology. This includes the Roku 3, iPad, Samsung Smart Hub Blu-ray player, and Android tablet. Lastly, the stream on the Windows PC was conducted by opening an SMB share and opening the movie file with VLC. All of these streams were being passed through the RT1900AC router from a single connection on the DS1515 Plus. 10 of the streams were using full Blu-ray quality video from How to Train Your Dragon 2, while the iPad streamed a medium quality copy of Ice Age. Even as the only device connecting to the network, the iPad struggled with the quality of our primary test file, so a single 1080p medium quality stream of Ice Age was used on that device instead. There were several other options for streaming to the devices seen here, such as using different combinations of DLNA, Video Station, DS Video, and DS File, as well as third-party software like Plex, iTunes, and other network protocols. However, our main goal was to use our own software as much as possible, and measure the resource utilization based off of that software. I hope you enjoyed this demonstration. To learn more about the technology behind this demo, as well as find out more about the advantages of using Synology software, please see the blog link in the video description. Thank you for watching.